everyone, my name is Ivo and welcome to Cooking with the Koyas. On today's episode, I am going to make a lasagna and I'm going to show you how I do it my style, which is again a little differently like everything else I do, but I will tell you this, it comes out amazing every single time. And there's a couple of things that I do a little differently. First of all, a lot of people like to use ricotta cheese or mozzarella cheese. I like to use a pizza mozzarella, which a good quality pizza mozzarella, and I also like to use a Friulano cheese. So I use a blend of two different cheeses, and yes, it makes a difference. Now, as far as the sauce goes, you could use any sauce you like. I like to use my Bolognese sauce. And if you haven't seen that episode, I'll put a link here for you, because the Bolognese sauce makes a huge difference when it comes to lasagna. But you could use your favorite tomato sauce, whatever it is that you like. But again, the Bolognese sauce really makes a difference. So I like to put a little bit of sauce on the bottom of the pan first. It prevents from burning, and it also helps cook the noodles. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the noodles as well, because the lasagna we're going to make today is going to taste like homemade, but it's not going to be homemade. And that's what I really like about it. And the noodles are also a no-fuss noodle, which is another thing that I really like. Okay, so I've got a little bit of sauce in the bottom of the pan. Now, these noodles are egg noodles. There's a different variety, different brands. They're all good, typically made in Italy. And this is what they call oven ready. I love it. It's an egg pasta, which is very close to homemade, and it's oven ready. You don't have to pre-cook these at all. So they come in nice pieces. There we go. Isn't that convenient? Nice pieces. And let's see here. You can break these and just make them fit. There we go. Put it right in. That's absolutely. These taste so much like homemade, it's unbelievable. Okay, now here you can see I've got a small piece, so I'm gonna do my best at breaking it and fitting it in there. It's okay if it's a little bit on top, that's no problem. And then over here I want to get one in the back there as well. Whoop, that one broke really easy. There we go. There we go. That's one layer right there. So now to this, I am going to, again, add my sauce. Just a thin layer of sauce. And again, this is my Bolognese. Now my sauce is still hot. It does not have to be hot. Mine happens to be hot. But it does not have to be hot because we're going to cook this and bake it in the oven. So for my first layer, I'm going to use mozzarella, the pizza mozzarella. I'm going to layer that in. And don't be shy, because lasagna loves cheese. You want to have that nice cheese when you're cutting into your lasagna. So don't be shy with the cheese. And now, another ingredient that I like to add that a lot of people don't, hard-boiled egg. I've took 4 hard-boiled eggs and I just crush them with a fork. So I've got kind of big chunks of hard-boiled egg. And what I like to do now is sprinkle some hard-boiled egg on top as my next layer. Now, you don't want to put as much egg as you had cheese, but you want a nice little layer of hard-boiled egg. And I'll tell you, that adds a fantastic taste to the lasagna. So now that that's done, again, I'm going to start my lasagna again, and I'll start it in this corner this time. Change it up a bit. And all these little bits, they do not go to waste. They can all be used. Now this container is a little bit rounded, but a nice little square or rectangular container would take these pieces even nicer. Okay. I'm just going to fill that in just a bit. This is nice because they don't have to be pre-cooked. That's it. Okay, same thing. Another layer of sauce. Okay, it's all about layers. and what you're going to find in between. And of course, the higher your container, the more layers you can get. This one is not bad. I can usually get 4 layers on here. I'd like to get 5. But, you got to be careful from over spillage as well as it's cooking. So there's a nice layer there. So now I'm going to add my Friulano cheese. So the first layer I put the pizza mozzarella. Now I'm going to add my Friulano. Now Friulano cheese is similar to mozzarella. I'm going to say it's drier, but it's a very, very mild cheese, but yet it has a great flavor to it. But again, it's very mild and makes for a great addition to your lasagna. So again, after the cheese comes the hard-boiled egg. And you just sprinkle that around. Okay, that looks pretty good. Same thing. Another row of another row of noodles. Let's start it this time here. Time for another layer of sauce. This is coming together very, very nicely. Frozen lasagnas, they just don't cut it. For the amount of effort it takes to make your own lasagna, it is so worth it to make your own lasagna. Those frozen ones just not quite the same. Okay, so now I got to remember, I got to go back to my pizza mozzarella. We're going to layer that in. So this will be my second layer of pizza mozzarella. And again, get yourself a good mozzarella, good quality mozzarella. Definitely do not buy the processed cheese. Not good for you and nowhere near as good as taste as you have with the real deal. Okay, again, some hard-boiled egg. Okay, there we go. And time for another layer. So, let's start it here. A little overlap, like I say, is fine. There we go. And now I could even start to use some of these pieces. It's not a problem. You're not going to notice the pieces when you're eating your lasagna. You just definitely will not. Time for my sauce again. That might be my last layer. Pushing it. Oh, I might have a little more room. There's a bit of a rim here, so I think I can get away with it. All right, so now we're going to go with the Friulano cheese. So this is our second layer of Friulano. And again, the hard-boiled egg. Now, I didn't salt the noodles because there's salt in the sauce. So you typically do not need to add any extra salt because you've already got it. So I think what I'd like to do now is finish off with one more layer. We're going to get a bonus layer of noodles in here. Again, more sauce on the top. Definitely want the sauce on the top. And we're going to finish off with the cheese, but this time we're going to use a blend. We're going to use both cheeses. We have a little bit of egg left over, hard-boiled egg. I just put that in there. I don't want that to go to waste. And then finally, we're going to use a little bit of mozzarella, pizza mozzarella, and some Friulano. Oh, that's going to melt up very nicely on the top. So that's basically it. That is our lasagna. And as you can tell, it doesn't take long to put together. So again, as opposed to buying a frozen lasagna, these come together real quickly, and with those noodles, makes a huge difference. So what I'm going to do now, this goes in the oven. I can cover it with a piece of parchment and some aluminum foil and put it in the oven at 350 for about an hour, and it'll be ready. For the last 10 minutes, I could take the aluminum off. You don't have to, but you can if you want it to dry up a bit. But in fact, on the package here, if you go with a higher heat, you can go with less temp. So I think it's 390 degrees. You only need like 40 minutes. But I like to go at a lower temp and a little longer. So it's going to go in the oven at 350 for an hour. That is my classic Italian lasagna. And I hope that you give an opportunity to give this a try. And if you do, please drop me a line, leave me a message, drop a line in the video, and I'll take a look at your comments, because I'd love to hear how you made out with it. Or if you have some secrets of your own that you'd like to share with us and our viewers, by all means, leave a comment. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, good luck and bon appetit. 1 hour in the oven at 350. Here we go.